Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Open. We've just had an incredible plus 35% pump from our bottom call. This is a top-tier AI project with a current market cap of only around $220 million, and the price is still down 55% from its all-time high at listing, which means there is plenty of upside left. So what's next? If the price consolidates above the main channel trend and holds $0.98, I'm expecting another leg up. I'm watching the key resistance levels at $1.22 to $1.28 and the next major zone at $1.42 to $1.43. This is one you definitely want to keep on your radar. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.